Can you believe it's nearly spring? Let's dive into essential spring main home maintenance. And here are some tips to get your home in top shape after the winter months. Hi, we're John and Claire Hickey of Engel and Voelkers Real Estate, and today we'll walk you through a checklist to ensure that your home is ready to enjoy the sunny days ahead.
First, let's start at the top with a roof inspection. Winter can be very tough on your roof, so look for missing, damaged, or aging shingles. Notice any cracked or buckled shingles? It is time for a repair, or possibly, do you need a budget plan for a new roof? It's cheaper to do your roof when it isn't raining. Don't forget to check the flashing around the vents, the skylights, and the chimney for any signs of damage.
Next, you'll want to do a masonry check. Inspect your home's brickwork or stucco for any signs of deterioration. Chipping or deteriorating mortar can lead to bigger problems if not addressed. And then let's take a look at the siding and trim. Winter can be unkind to your home's wood features. Look for any rot, peeling paint, or damage, and consider a fresh coat of paint to protect and beautify your home.
Now what about gutter cleanup? Gutters and downspouts are crucial for proper drainage. Clear out any debris. Check for sags or leaks that can cause water damage in your home.
What about the chimney and attic? Should you get an inspection? We highly recommend that you hire professionals to inspect your chimney for any damage that could pose a fire risk. Similarly, a quick check in the attic for leaks or poor ventilation can prevent mold and water damage. And keep an eye out for any rodents who moved in during the winter.
A possible cost saver is a seasonal checkup of your HVAC system. Even living in Southern California, it's important to ensure that our air conditioning units are ready for the season by changing the filters and cleaning the air purifiers. This can save on electric bills as the summer approaches, and it's best to leave detailed maintenance to the professionals.
Okay, now let's go outside and check on the landscape drainage. Fertilizing and mulching is important, and it'll freshen the curb appeal as well as save on water usage during the hotter months. So what about concrete and pool decking? With most of the rain behind us, it's time to give your driveway, patio, and decks the attention they need with a good power wash, sealing, and professional servicing. And don't forget your pool's filtration system.
So what about the window and the door weatherproofing? You want to seal any gaps in the windows or doors to improve energy efficiency and comfort. It's also a great time to replace any of those torn screens.
Wrapping up our spring home maintenance guide, remember, a little attention now can prevent costly repairs later. Plus, it leaves you more time to enjoy the beautiful spring weather in a home you love.
For more home maintenance tips and tricks, don't forget to like, share, and comment on our post. We're John and Claire Hickey of Engel and Voelkers Real Estate. We love guiding you home. We'll see you in the next video.